everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Simple Stamping Day, and I want to show you how to make this great little note card. What we're going to be using is we are going to be using Snowman Season, ink, Balmy Blue, Memento Black, and we're going to use one of the Regals Stampin' Right markers, Pumpkin Pie. Oh, better bring you up. Did you guys see any of that? So we're using Snowman Season, Memento Black, Balmy Blue, and Pumpkin Pie. And we're going to be using just one of the Whisper White note cards. So the first thing I'm going to do, and we are going to be using the Snowfall Accents Puff Paint along with our heat tool. We want to get it a little snowy. So I'm just going to ink up the snowman with Memento Black, and I'm going to stamp him twice towards the bottom. Okay. Almost looks like he's marching along with juggling. So I kind of like that. So we're going to do a row of marching, juggling snowmen. Okay, and then I am just going to take the pumpkin pie and I'm going to do the carrot nose. Then I am going to take the Let It Snow. And with Balmy Blue, I'm going to stick that up on the top. Now this would be just fine as is, right like this. Perfect. Easy, simple stamping card. But we're going to do something else. We're going to actually have him juggle snowballs. They're going to juggle snowballs. Okay. So I'm just going to put, well, there's going to be a bunch of snow there, isn't there? And I'm just going to put, these are going to be snowballs too. So I'm going to have to clean that out. Do I have a Kleenex here? I want to take this off because I don't want a snowball right there. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is I'm going to close your ears. I'm going to take the heat tool. There you go. A nice, fast, easy card. So remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to make this is listed down below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.